We've just been woken up to a fisherman who's caught his fishing net on our chain. What do you want me to do? What are you gonna do? He's actually caught on Brian's anchor. And just to add to it, Ryan's made the rookie mistake of letting the dinghy go before the motor's on, and he's floating into the cliffs. It's been a really rocky, rolly night. This is just icing on the cake. Happy birthday to me. You don't get to sleep.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word.
Cannot kiss through a mask.
Okay, that's the fun of it.
Oh, so cute.
So sexy.
So romantic.
You're sexy and I know it.
Look at that.
Wow. Everyone knows how much Brittni loves food and cheese.
We just had some lunch at that really cute little Italian place. It was all local Italians, not one tourist. And now we're walking with our groceries back, and Ryan is not having fun.
You can't do so my god, I just had a whole pizza.
And that couple literally just stopped to have a dance. Ryan, isn't that cute? I've decided people in Italy are very passionate people. Very passionate. We were at the beach the other day in Positano, and a couple literally just started having a full-out makeout session. And like, when I say makeout sesh, I mean cupping the back of the head, leaning over, like it was baby making kissing. And then that couple just heard the music and stopped, started cradling each other and rocking back and forth. Whoa, 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 coming in hot. Catastrophe here on Sunday. Ryan has officially lost our drone in the ocean.
No, it just started messing up. It just flew straight down. The battery still had 60%. Everything was still working. Everything was still fine. I don't know what happened.
So we're gonna go find it. And it's turning winter, so it's gonna be friggin' freezing. Successful mission, we got it. I got it.
The funny thing about it, when I picked it up off the ground, one of the propellers got
It was trying to fly.
We're like 6-7 meters on the water. What are you trying to fly for?
We'll have to have proper burial ceremony for
Yeah,
it.
well, I'm gonna hit up to the Giants and be like, what the hell? Because that's bullshit.
I'm wet, I'm cold, and soggy. It was a fluke that we even found it. I jumped in the water and I started snorkeling around, and I got too far away from Ryan and he said come back, and the line that he called me back from was looking along the way, and boom, there it was halfway between us.
Yeah.
I'm assuming water wouldn't affect this. I'm gonna put it on the laptop to check it, but the battery's dead on the laptop and our batteries are dead on the boat, so I can't charge it.
Man, we're not on a good run at the moment, are we? We can't even charge our laptop.
Maybe we're gonna hit the lottery or something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna laugh about it. I said to Ryan, you can't be mad, you just have to laugh.
Things come in threes. A cutlass bearing, a mainsail, and our boat batteries. I was like, alright, things come in three. We're done. And then the ferry cruised by last night and the whole boat tipped right over and all our stuff fell off. I was like, alright, Brittni, things come in four. That's it. We're done. And then now this morning the drone kaput. So things come in five. Let's hope they don't come in six, eh? Mum, dad, and friends jump on that wish list. Oh! That's an Etsy order. We just sold a towel. Was it?
New order.
Oh.
Somebody bought 2 towels. Andrea.
20 minutes later after we just dropped our $700 drone into the water. So thank you. That is going to the drone.
There you go. I told you something good would happen. Boom, 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 boom. Now let's go to Pompeii.
Alright.
You know what? We think that we're on a bad run right now. Imagine being the people of Pompeii. We're about to go see people who got encapsulated in lava.
Yeah,
like, you think your life sucks?
I was so angry and Brittni just did it to me and I'm like, yeah, you're right, it's just a drone. Oh man, I'm so pissed. So now we're gonna head to a little, I think it's a sailing club near Pompeii. So we're gonna go crash there because we need to sort these batteries out. And also we got some heavy wind blowing in this way. So we kind of timed it to do the batteries and hide out from that wind as well. There's not really many places to hide out along this coast. We've just had no sleep. We've had like 1/2 meter, 1 meter, 1.5 meter swells just like rolling in every night. What is it?
I think it's a doll. Oh! It's a sunfish or whatever.
Cool, huh?
Yeah, that was really cool. I've never seen one of those before.
What's that volcano called again?
Vesuvius. Doesn't it look like just a cute little volcano? Like, you wouldn't think it actually just like annihilated an entire city.
So Pompeii's somewhere over there, so we're gonna head over there and that'll be epic to check that out. We're going dead ahead to this like cheap little fishing harbour. And then you've got Naples. I've done no research on this, but like people have told me that it's a pretty rough place to anchor.
So far, and I don't want to bag the place because it doesn't mean a lot, but it looks pretty run down. We've got the babies downstairs and he's licking his balls. Jackson's crying somewhere.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in.
We're filming you, Brian.
Look good.
Yeah.
Probably about the same height. Yeah, well, you're going to need to reuse these. 195, 180.
So,
Well, the batteries are going out. We're going to Naples. Whoa!
this is where pizza was invented.
So we're going out for pizza in Naples.
So we're going out for pizza.
So we've got some batteries sorted. We've got 560 amp hours of batteries, but they are 5 years old and we knew they were coming to the end of their life. But we figured we've probably only really been using 400 amp hours anyway because the batteries are so old. So we're replacing them with 400 amp hours just to get us by. We're gonna go cheap, we're getting lead acid, hopefully, fingers crossed, we fix our battery problems. So we're gonna get pizza now in Naples because that's where it is. All right, grab the garbage, let's go, baby.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in, we a lifeline.
Hey, Case, just stay close now. Welcome to Naples, everyone.
Behind us we've got like army and cops and everything. It's a bit full on, eh?
Go, Dad. Pass the ball.
So this is much better, eh?
Yes. It's scary through there.
Oh no, this is an interesting spot here. Gotta be honest with you.
I think this is like the place to go to for the experience of the pizza, but obviously it's not the atmosphere or the time spent in the restaurant.
So we've gone to like apparently the best local pizza shop in Naples.
All of Naples. Somebody even in a review said the world.
In the world, and it's like just this little corner pizza shop here.
No, it was just in a movie. Julia Roberts and Eat, Pray, Love came from pizza.
I'm having a relationship with my pizza. Pizza margherita in Napoli, it is your moral imperative to eat and enjoy that pizza.
Is it good?
Come closer.
Go, ready, go, 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 go. So we went to this place because it's world famous with all these reviews on TripAdvisor and everything. There's a massive lineup now. Ready? How do you feel you went to the best pizza in the world?
I feel like it was a lot of hype.
Cheese was amazing.
It had a floppy crust.
Ready? We're back to like the scungy back streets.
Look, I'm not gonna lie, I do wish we came here in the day.
Yeah. But there's one good thing about this place, Brittni. There's police and army people everywhere. Yeah. Keeping you safe. Oh look, more police. Someone I know knows karate, kickboxing, taekwondo, martial arts, and just to finish it off, he's a black belt in everything. Even ballet.
He just killed 5 people just with that look.
Yeah, yeah. So the batteries, the guy looked after me, they're gonna cost us €740 for all of them.
Why did you just tell me 1,600?
Because I just wanted to scare you.
You're such an asshole.
Alright, we've got our new batteries. So the funniest thing is that on these Vita batteries, you guys should always double check. So on your batteries, there'll be a code or a date. Online, there'll be a little code, and that code will tell you the date these were made. These were made in August 2020. I'm connecting them all up together. They need to be the same battery. I can't have a battery that's, you know, a few years old. And I was like, oh, geez, I better check it. So I checked it. August 2020, August 2020, August 2020. Boom. 3 years old. The battery, they try to give me a 3-year-old battery. Anyway, hope that gives you guys some good info on some batteries, just some basic info. I'm not a battery expert, I'm just telling you what I know and what I went through.
We're going to Pompeii.
Take it in with your life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey.
Alright guys, we're in Pompeii. Aren't we, Ryan?
Yeah.
And apparently there's a restaurant in this neighborhood. They do a pizza-based bowl with a pasta inside it. Said to Ryan, I think we need it. The last phase of the city's life, this villa underwent changes and extensions, after which it came to occupy almost the whole block, assuming the appearance of a miniature urban villa.
So basically, I guess that this like little house just turned into like a massive series of houses that turned into one big house. So this is how the guys hooked up their air conditioning. It had water drip down there. It went around the sides, and then it filled up the area here. It came down through there, and it must have dripped down and went down into the middle area. So it cooled all the marble, and these were like a marble bed. Maybe some sugar on the sewage system, stepping stones. Give me some sewage love.
Oh. Sick.
So just in case you didn't get the joke, I think this is like the main sewage or wastewater or something of the town, which is pretty cool, hey? Which is why they got these stepping stones and step over it. This could be like a pub. Like the blokes will just sit here, like you know in Naples, how you walk down the streets of Naples and just like people everywhere just...
It still retains the skeletons of 5 horses, used for the rotary movement of the millstones. How crazy is that?
No, I bet he does kung fu. Kung fu fighting. Who? No, he's like, I'm gonna challenge you, mate. I'm gonna challenge you.
Look at the one with the baby on it, right?
Hey, I need to
The one on the table looks like he's sitting on.
Everyone says that Naples is home of pizza. They obviously haven't been to Pompeii. This shit's like 2,000 years old, isn't it? Wood oven pizzas, hey? It's either a taverna or another brothel. I've seen Games of Thrones. Alright, so let's see how this works. You ready?
Oh my god, are we gonna blow up?
We possibly could.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Ah! I hear the fridge is on!
12.7.